Hi folks, Mike Duncan here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a clickable image. Now I'm going to be doing this right from scratch, so showing you how to upload an image to a particular website where you can get a HTML code that will enable you to place that HTML code onto a website, for example classified websites, and from there make it clickable so that people will be directed to wherever you want them to go to. So what you're going to need, I use PhotoBucket, and so you'll need to create an account with PhotoBucket, and for this example I'm going to place the advert on Backpage purely because I get a lot of traffic from Backpage by using this method. Now again, you can create an account at Backpage. You just go to backpage.com and create an account, and photobucket.com to create an account there. They're both free. With PhotoBucket there is a paid option, but you've got everything you need on the free option, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, so first of all I'm going to sign into my PhotoBucket account. This is live, guys, by the way, so just bear with me. You know what technology's like, it tends to trip you up when you don't least need it to. So I'm going to log into my PhotoBucket account, and there we go. I always, when I can, use Facebook to log in. It just saves you having to remember passwords and things. Okay, right, so we're into PhotoBucket, and the other thing I forgot to mention that you'll need an image, and that's entirely up to you. Just be a bit creative. It could be a banner from a business opportunity that you're working in. A lot of them do provide banners that you can use, or it could be a picture that you've uploaded from Google Images, or one that you've had made for yourself. So for this one, I've got a banner from the business I'm involved in. So you go to, once you've logged into your PhotoBucket page, you go to upload. Just click on that, and it will bring you to the upload page. And here we go. Now you can do one of two things. You can either excuse me, drag and drop the photo from wherever it is, or you can choose a photo from a folder or a website or something similar. Okay, so right, I've already selected a picture that I want to use, so I haven't got to go through that. So let me just find this one. Okay, here we go. This is the image. Now you can do one of two things. You can either drag and drop it. Okay, just drag it over to the PhotoBucket page, and as soon as you've got the green circle with the white cross in the middle, you're ready to drop. Or you can double click on the image in the folder. There it is. Okay, now you don't need to resize it or anything. I'm going to drag and drop it, so there you go, it's there now. Cancel that. Now you're probably going to get an advert pop up here because you've got the free version.
Every day, a woman looks in the mirror several times
to just click that.
See what's changed and what hasn't.
So you've clicked on the image that you've just dragged over, and it's just put it into your folder, into your library. Okay, that's where it is now. We're in your library. So any images that you store will be stored in your library. You want this as big as you can get it, so you don't need to resize it. Now the reason I say that is once you're on Backpage, you're going to have a title to your ad which we'll come to, and people will see that title. They'll click on your ad, on that title, and it'll take them to your image. Now what you want is, you want that image to fill the page. Okay, it's to fill the screen for them, so there's no mistake of what they're looking at. They can read it clearly and take action, whatever the next step is for them to take. And once you've got this picture in PhotoBucket, you just go down on the right hand side and you'll see some codes written down here. The one I'm interested in, the one that you're going to be interested in, is the HTML code. All you do is do a left click on that, and the box will turn yellow and it'll say copied. There you go. That's now copied to your pasteboard. So now that's you finished now with PhotoBucket. So we come out of PhotoBucket and go into your Backpage accounts. Once you're in Backpage, you need to post an ad. Now you'll either have this page when you log in, or you could have this page. It doesn't matter which one. You just go to post an ad. And you've got two options. You've got the local ads, mainly free, or you can post in multiple cities. That's for that. Those are all paid, sponsored ads only. Okay, so you want local ads. Okay, and wherever you want to post it, I always suggest you post it in United States or Canada, because that's where Backpage is big. Okay, so you go to United States, find where you want to post it. I'm thinking of posting this one in, let's say, Washington. Okay, and where should we post it in Washington? I'm going to post it in Tacoma. Do your research on this and you'll find places that work better for you. And there are places that are a lot more active areas on Backpage than other areas. But you do a bit of research on Google and you'll soon find those. Now, when you're placing business opportunities or work from home opportunities, you always need to place them in services and biz ops. If you place them anywhere else, your account will probably get flagged at some point. Now, where did we say? We said Tacoma. So click on there, and here we've got the ad page itself. Now, remember that code that you copied when you was on in your PhotoBucket account. Now, you need to click in the description box here to get the cursor, and then you do a right click and paste, and that brings that code back into that box. Well, we'll leave that there for a moment and we'll come to the title. This is where you're going to have to get creative yourself. You don't want to copy other people's titles. Look at something that's interesting to you and use it, but change it to suit yourself and to reflect your personality. Okay, so I'm going to put, I've got some already pre-made up here, so I'm going to choose this one here, and it says make everyday payday, no experience, no problem. I will show you how. Okay, so just get creative and create your own titles. You can have as many as you like, and you can have this. You can have the same title with different ads, or you can have different ads with the same title. And just experiment with it, and you'll find that works for you. Now, in your ad description, you're going to have to do a bit of editing with this code here. Well, what you need to do is highlight from the first HTTP right along to the first HTML. So highlight all of that text inside of those quotation marks. Sometimes you'll find that this text will be 1.5 or two lines long, but it's always going to be highlighting from the first HTTP to the first HTML. Okay, so just highlight it. You don't need to delete it or anything. Just leave it highlighted. Now, in here, you need to place the link where you want people to go to once they've clicked on your ad. Okay, now for this instance, I've saved a link to a Word doc. Now you can save, this is a good idea, you can save all your links to different websites, different affiliate links, blogs, whatever you want people to, wherever you want people to go. So save them all into a Word doc or on your notepad or something similar to that. Okay, so if you save them all there, people know where they are, and they can just go and you know where they are, so you can just go in there, find the link, and then click it, copy it, go back to your back page, and you can paste it in there. So what you do, you just hover your cursor over the text that you've highlighted, you do a right click, and then you paste. So it's changed the text that was there now to the text that's going to take people to your website or your blog, or your capture page, whichever it might be. Okay, so you just leave that there. You don't need to do anything with it. That's all done. Now, location. You can put whatever you like in here. I always put, because this is an international business and it's home based, international and home based. You don't want people thinking that they can only do it if they're in Tacoma or wherever. You don't need a map link. Leave your email address there because you want people to be able to contact you, or you want eBay Backpage to be able to contact you, and you want them to forward email responses to you as well. But you don't want, in display options, untick that box because you don't want them to see other listings that you've got, other ads. We'll ignore all this for now, and we'll come down to here. We'll ignore the auto repost and sponsor ad sections because we're doing the free ads at the moment. Click on continue, and that's what your ad's going to look like. Okay, it's not been placed yet. Now, because you're doing a free ad, you have to show them that you're not a robot, so you're just ticking that box. Every now and again you'll get a captcha which you'll need to do. So we've got, looks like 343. Verify. There you go, that's fine. Now it's going to be placed in services, BizOps, location is international home based, and the ad price is free. This is your header, this is your title to the ad, this is what people will see. And then when they click on that, if they think it's got some interest to them, they'll take them to the image, which is clickable. So I'll place that ad now. That's done. You want to just check to see that your ad's live, you just click on here, and there you go. And just to show you that it is a clickable image, just click on that, and it just
what's going on, guys?
There you go. Okay, just takes you to your capture page or your website or blog, whichever. Now, a good idea to do, if you're watching this in YouTube, down the bottom here, you'll have there'll be a little button that says HD. If the image doesn't look really clear, if you click on that HD button, it will make it much more clearer, so you can see everything that's going on. I hope that's helped, and if you want more information on this business here, free marketing system, then just click the link below, and I'll hopefully see you on the other side. Bye for now.